Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our DT900 Ultra 9 smartwatch. Previously, we already checked on the design and the design as well as the available strap for the smartwatch, as you can see here. This time we are going to explore the different menus and features of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the menus and features of the DT900 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, it is a 7+1 Ultra smartwatch. So let's remove it from its charging cable. We charge it for just a few minutes so we can have at least explore the menus and features of this smartwatch. On top, we have the message notifications. On the bottom part, let's see. So we have here the quick settings. Okay, we have a multiple menus here. So the same style, we have at least 6 style. Let's pick this one, the list style. 6 multiple menus. Okay, on the right side we have the different menus and features, or the different main features, including the Bluetooth call and heart rate we also have, while on the left side we have the dashboard here. Okay, somewhat like a quick access to the common applications and recently accessed apps. Okay, to access the main menus and features, let's see, tap on the screen. Nope, press the power button and we have it here. So the same UI, we have the dialer, phone book, heart rate, blood oxygen, we have Facebook, SOS, health tricyclic, ECG, sports, WhatsApp application, camera, blood pressure. I guess we have the same features here. We also have a calculator. Okay, calendar, message notifications, stopwatch, QR code, and for the more we have the about, series, backlight time. Okay, set language. So the same features. We have a game here. Let's see. We have F1 race. For the sports function, just press this one. So we have running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. Okay, the same sports function that we see on our Watch 8. Okay, let's see for the heart rate. The same UI, I think. For the preloaded watch face, let's see. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have at least 7 watch face, including this one that changes color when you tap on. Okay, let's see here on top, on the bottom part, the quick settings here. We have airplane mode, Bluetooth music, flashlight, we have Bluetooth call, language support. Let's see, we have English, Netherlands, French, Spanish, and other popular languages here. We also have Indonesia, Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, phone book, we have the QR code here, multiple menu style. So let's pick this one, style number 4. So this is the style number 4. For the sports, for example running, so it tracks for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. With the Bluetooth music, you can activate it while doing your exercise routine. Okay, again, for the different menus and features, let's go back. Let's change this one to list style so we can really see the different menus and features. I think the blood oxygen is also the same, as well as the blood pressure. Yes, the same UI, okay, that we already featured here on our YouTube channel. For the blood pressure, yes, the same. Music control, do we have a volume control? None. Twitter support, we have weather, anti-loss, sleeping, okay, sleep monitoring, we have calendar. What else is new? Okay, I think the same, just the same UI here, okay, with a watch 8. So this is a watch 8 smartwatch and not an Ultra 9. Okay, that's why we have the same menus and features. So nothing has changed. The same with the other watch 8 that is using Fit Pro or HRY Fine application. So this is just a marketing BS, I think. More backlight time, bed lamp, screensaver, function key set. So this one you can change so this is your function key set. You can change it here. For example, if you want to change it to heart rate, you can change. Okay, so when I press this one, it will activate the heart rate, or it will open the heart rate menu. Yes, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the DT900, okay, 7+1 Ultra smartwatch. So nothing has changed, still the same smartwatch, and with, of course, 7 straps available for your smartwatch with our DT900 7+1 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.